ripped right open, tore this whole corner off the bed right here. I have the new bedside right here. I'm down here in our aluminum shop, and I have the bed of a newer Ford F-150. One of the aluminum bodied trucks. This one got ripped right open, tore this whole corner off the bed right here. So this one's gonna get a new bedside as well as this corner piece. You'll be able to see more once I get the bedside off, see how that piece goes. And this is the inner part of that box, that corner piece right there. So like I said, you'll be able to see more once I get this thing cut apart. I have the new bedside right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this outer panel off, and then I will get into the corner pieces. Just about have this bedside loose. There's some glue in here I have to release, so I'm gonna warm it up to help get that glue to release. Now you could see a little better how wadded up this corner piece is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this apart. So it turns out this corner piece right here, this is the brace that goes across the bottom of the bed, is folded up a little bit. I think I should be able to straighten it out, no problem. So I'm gonna work that back into shape. So it turns out this piece that goes inside of there isn't damaged. Just the corner of it was rolled a little bit, and this was rolled a little bit, but it was all very, very minor. So we're actually gonna return this part and just repair it like I did on here, and then all I have to do is put this outer piece on. It'll just simplify the job. I have this corner piece all clamped in place. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna drill all my holes for my blind rivets, and then I'll go ahead and take it back off, and I will clean up the bonding surfaces on both sides, and I will get that piece rivet bonded on. Now, normally I would be fitting all of my parts before I drill those holes just to make sure it's sitting perfectly. However, I've done so many of these that I'm not concerned about it. There's certain things that I could see that I know tell me that it's gonna be fine. I'm not worried about it, just being the fact that I've done a lot of them, but I will fit up the bedside with the tailgate and all of that. So I'm getting this one all fit together. I got the back fitting nice. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drill my holes for my blind rivets that go right here. And then I will lift this bedside back off, lay out my adhesive and everything, and then put it on permanently at that point.